batteries came in after waiting 3 months for them. I am going to show everybody how to solder EC5 connectors. Need to strip the wire end. I like to strip them just enough so they fit inside the bullet, so you don't need to use any shrink tubing. Perfect. Fire up your cheap $10 soldering gun. Don't need to buy the $120 one from the hobby store. Get yourself some good solder wire for electrical. Preheat. The wire. I like to give it a turn. Oh yeah, that's full. Move that one aside. Bring your next cheap one into play. Preheat the bullet. Give it a good shot of solder. Hold the end. Put it into the bullet. Hold it nice and steady. I like to give just a little extra heat, just so you don't get a cold solder which may fail when in flight. That should be pretty good. Any solder on the bullet, cut it off. Still pretty warm. Grab the bullet, and if I push this in, you might even hear a pop. Nice click. Perfect. You don't even need any shrink tubing or nothing. Now we'll do the other side. Same thing. Pre-cut that end. Test fit perfect. Preheat it. Doesn't take much. Look how easy that solder flows right into the wire. It's nice and hot. I've seen episodes out there where they're bad joins. Done. Preheat the bullet again. Sometimes I overfill them. Ooh, that one's getting hot. Good. Trim off if there's any excess. Normally if you had a wet rag or a sponge, you'd be able to wipe that clean. I didn't bring one. And it'll be the same. You should hear a little bit of a click. Perfect. And we're done. Perfect connector. Never come loose on you.